Hi everybody, and welcome to the Jersey Wife channel. I'm Fontana. What am I doing in my closet? I've been here since 5 a.m. this morning, trying to organize, okay? And these are the kind of things that I do because I'm used to getting up at 4 and catching a train to NYC, and now I'm not. And my meetings usually start somewhere like 9 o'clock. So I have all these weird morning hours to do this. And I can't even show you how big this thing is, okay? So this morning I'm saying, you know what? I'm gonna tackle that closet that's full of crap that I never wear, whatever. So I had to organize it first before I can actually figure out what do I wanna sell? What do I wanna keep? What do I wanna give away? Okay, perfect example, okay? I found the one shoe. The other shoe's in the box above me. This is from Poetic License. Love this brand. Absolutely pricey, pricey, pricey. Here's the shoe. I'm going to show you the bottom of it first, just so you could see that how many times I've worn it. Once. They kill my feet. Very cute though, right? So I'm wearing these. I go out into, like I think we went to dinner or something with a bunch of friends. I wore these, got out of the car, went to the restaurant, came back into the car, took them off. This is not a dancing shoe. And I have tons of these shoes, kind of shoes that you never could wear. I decided that I am going to, if I didn't touch it, I didn't even wear it for a year, it's out. You know what was making me mad? Not only organizing, because I hate organizing a closet. I have to be so detailed at my job and so knowing where everything is and what's going on. And it's so weird that I can't get my closet in order. So you know that there's that one thing, like you're really good at this, but you're really bad at this. I'm bad at organizing closets. I can't stand it. Well, when I was doing it this morning at about 4:30, I said to myself, these things have tags on them that I haven't even like attempted. Okay, this little number I had to have for a wedding that didn't exist. That was 2 years ago. So then I said, I'll wear this beautiful color in the summer. It's so beautiful with my eyes, and it's gonna be great. When I get off the beach, I'm wearing friggin' shorts and a shirt, a t-shirt or something. I'm not like putting on some fancy schmancy dress to go. You know, I wanna hang out when I go on vacation. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this thing that cost a fortune, may I add. But most of my stuff, I really do wait for coupons and sales, and I do love TJ Maxx, and I love, like I've mentioned, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington. I love Nordstrom Rack and all of those places. So a lot of my clothes do come from there, unless it's a special occasion, such as the non-special occasion. I just bought a leopard dress and realized, where the hell am I wearing this? Just out of curiosity, where would I be wearing this right now? I don't know. I have shoes. Well, you know, I did buy this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, you're saying, what's the difference? Well, it hangs in your closet in the middle, number one. And I forgot I even had this because it was buried somewhere in this closet. I took it out. You put your shoes in it, as you can see. Actually, there's the other shoe. Anyway, so you could put your little purses in here. And the little slots here are for purses, not shoes. Or I guess you could put shoes in if you want. So this lovely little bag that I got, lovely faux fur. I haven't worn this all winter because, well, Jersey didn't really have a very wintry winter, so I didn't have this, didn't use it, nope. I had to have this because it was vintage. I don't know where I was, probably some antique store, and I had to have this. Never used it, not even once. I said, wow, look at the condition. Oh, it's blue. I love turquoise. Never wore this, ever. And it's going back in my closet. So I think in these times, we get caught up in our heads and we start to worry and we start to get concerned, and, you know, it's scary, you know, and we're all scared, you know, and so I do these little things, and I would hope that you guys would do that. I encourage you to go through your closets, go through your basements, go through your Christmas decorations, something that makes you happy. You know, if you have Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever celebration, whatever holiday you have, go through the boxes if they make you happy to look at them. You have to do things, and I know a lot of moms with babies and dads with babies, and, you know, and you're taking care of a whole bunch of people with, I have time to do this, you know, because my kids are grown and, you know, they're just annoying, you know, but I could just tell them to go away, and they do. But if you find something that you like to do, or something you'd like to learn, like a language. And I know that sounds really stupid, but you have to stay out of your own headspace. Speaking of headspace, I work for a fantastic company that I can't explain to you how they care about all of their employees. And this is a very large organization. It's not like a mom and pop little thing, okay? They care so much about our well-being physically, but also mentally. And so they gave us all these subscriptions to Headspace. Cool app. If you haven't been on it, get it, try it. There's a million things that are free right now. Like Peloton has their apps are free. If you are on Facebook, there is a wonderful trainer that goes on every day, Lindsay. She's from the Riverside Fitness Center right here in Mansfield Township, right near Long Valley, Hackettstown, Washington Township, all of those. It's right there. Fantastic place, but obviously the fitness center is closed. So she's been doing these wonderful workouts. You can go on there. A lot of people are starting to do that. There's a lot of apps you could go on to exercise in your own house. Keep yourself healthy. Keep your headspace healthy. No pun intended. Keep yourself busy. If you're working from home and you're getting WebExes and webinars and you got Blue Jean thing and the Zoom and you got a million things. I'm always on something. I'm clicking something to talk to people from my company. And it's always good right before meetings start or before they end. There's always like little chit chat and, you know, you feel like you're still connected to all those people. And we're all going to get back there. It's just a matter of us following the rules. And, you know, for us to complain about being home, from working from home or even being home, being, you know, self-contained for week after weeks after weeks. But you know what? We're not on the front line. No one's asking me to go into a hospital. No one's asking me to be a police officer. No one's asking me to deliver packages or mail or be a nurse or the people that clean up after all of the madness in a room, okay? Those people are frontline people. They're not asking us to do that. They're asking us to do the right thing, stay home, so that we are at the apex right now. So the curve is going to start going down. For it to go down and flatten is for us to listen. There is nothing at Walmart that anyone needs to go running out to get. Nothing. Don't do that. I know we wouldn't want to do that. We don't want to hurt ourselves. We don't want to hurt others. So let's be smart about this. Don't forget, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Stay home and stay well and stay safe. This is Fontana. See you in my next video. Boo-bye.